Hey guys, what's up? In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can make a table for your documents in Google Sheets really quickly and with very little effort. So let us get started. So as you can see, I created a table like that. So if you'd like to model a table like that, simply follow my instructions. So in the first step, you will need to enter the data you would like to convert or put into a table. So start with a set of data here in that column and a set of data in that column here, just for demonstration purposes. And once you have entered your data, all you need to do, guys, is simply highlight the entire set of data, just like that. Head over to Format here at the top and select Convert to Table. And you may also use the shortcut Control-Alt-T for that alternately. So guys, that's basically it. That's how it works. You may also customize and edit your table, of course, if that's necessary, and yeah, edit and customize the table as much as you like. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.